Hello, today we will be solving the fourth problem on Project Euler. So, if we do question and answer, this will all be explained soon. So, basically, the question is to store like what was it, 9 times 5 or whatever it was to do it. Then we have the actual answers, and it'll find the biggest one, and then we have answer, and then we have the second answer, which basically says the matched question. So if we do for I, range of 100 to 99, because it said 3-digit, and this is correct, so you have to figure out like a pattern, like symmetry. And also it said product, which is just a fancy way of saying times table, multiply, whatever. This I was able to figure it out by myself. There was this one guy on the internet which was basically was able to show me how to reverse strings, which I'm about to do here. So basically it strings it and then it unstrings it. So and it has to be equal to I times, well, basically just checks if it is symmetrical. So we're going to append the answer to the list, and then we have question, which will just be an F string. So sorry Windows XP users, you can't run this code because it has to be above Python 3.5, so this is Python 3. So just want to point that out there. And then we do for I3 in range of 0 to the actual length of the answer, which will be there, calculate all of so it basically allows you to check through every one, and it's basically this section acts a little bit like a high score program. So and then we also get the question. So if we just do this, print answer and print answer 2, and if we do this, it should be calculating, and we have the answer. This is a public number, and here is what goes into it. So thank you for watching this episode. GitHub and Project Euler link will be in the description as usual. Goodbye.